Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
He was a thinker, he was an academician, and he was a politician with difference. He was a statesman, he was a world leader. He was a leader who led the independence struggle of this country with great men like Mahatma Gandhi, and then had the fortune of becoming the first Prime Minister of India. And as a Prime Minister, his contribution is extremely noteworthy. Most importantly, he was an institution builder. In today's date, his presence, his work, his contribution, his commitment is all the more being recollected by us, because today's dispensation which we have in the country is of an institution demolisher, an institution destroyer. So we have to remember and understand how difficult it was to build the institutions of the country, which Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru did, and he led the way.
आज त्या विचारात म्हणजे नेहरू कितलो श्रेष्ठ आशिल्लो हे आज जगभर लोकांक पटलें, आणि आज अजूनही पटोवन दितात आमचे RSS आणि BJP आणि आमचे पंतप्रधान आताचे नरेंद्र मोदी. कारण जो मनीस आमच्यातल्यान गेलो 57 वर्सां पयलीं, कारण हे 57 वर्साचे त्यांचे डेथ एनिवर्सरी आमी आयज हांगा एक जाल्ली आसा. ह्या हिशोबान जेन्ना 57 वर्सां जो मनीस आमच्यातल्यान गेलो तेका मारपाचे प्रयत्न दीस आनी रात वेगळे वेगळे प्रयत्न करतात, त्याचे फोटोशॉप करतात वेगळे वेगळे, म्हणजे त्याच्या विचारांक मारपाचे, नेहरूक मारपाचो, नेहरूच्या आयडियोलॉजीक मारपाचे प्रयत्न भाजपाचे लिडर्स, RSSचे लिडर्स आणि त्यांचे जे फेक प्रमोट करपी जे सोल्जर्स आसात ते आयजूय करतात.